Happy morning, children. Welcome to Blue Stars High Secondary School online classes. So today for class 6 and your subject is English. Okay, so today in English class we are going to see a composition. Already we have written one composition, leave letter. Okay, and today we are going to write a composition on translation. So what is meant by translation? Translating from English to Tamil. Okay, so here we are going to read some proverbs. You know what is my proverbs, right? Paramodigal. Yes. So here we are going to write some proverbs in English and the corresponding meaning in Tamil. Are you ready, children? You can just take your composition notebook. You know, isn't it? So take your composition notebook. In the index page, you can write as translation. Okay, so what you have to write? Translation. Put today's date here and turn the page. So you have completed your essay writing in this page. Okay, so the next page you can take your next page. Don't write anything on the left hand side. On the left hand side, don't write anything. Now on the right hand side, you can start writing your translation. Okay, so you can just check into the PDF and you can write as it is. Okay, so here you can just write your date, put today's date, and everything you can just follow. The first one is face is the index of the mind. Okay, second one is empty vessels make more noise, and third one is unity is strength, and fourth one is a friend in need is a friend indeed. Fifth one, haste makes waste. Sixth one, be a Roman when you are in Rome. Okay, turn the page. Again, don't write anything on the left hand side. Don't write anything. Only on the right hand side you should write. What is the seventh one? As you sow, so you reap. Eighth one, time is gold. Ninth one, make hay while the sun shines. 10th one, prevention is better than cure. Understood? So these 10 proverbs can just look into the PDF, take your own time and write neatly. Draw lines after each proverb. Okay, children? So this is your work today in English. Complete it and keep it ready. Thank you, children.